Hello everyone, happy Sunday, happy February 1st. My name is Shay, I am new to cash stuffing and content creation, and I'm documenting my journey towards financial freedom and Avalanche debt payoff. Welcome to Quiet Cash Ritual. Okay, let's start off with my wallet. Sorry for all the shadows. It is late in the night, and so the lighting is very weird. I apologize. And also my extremely hoarse voice. I did not get good sleep last night, and that always manifests in how I sound the next day. So yay for me, but you know what? It's gonna be a great day and it's gonna be a great week. So let's get started on my wallet. I have receipts I need to take out from this week, and I scan these into Fetch Rewards. I don't have a code. It's not an ad. I think it's fun. All right, so first of all, everything's pretty empty. So let's get that resolved. So if you can hear that, my dog is barking. I apologize. We're gonna start with groceries. Okay, I apologize for that break. My dog decided to bark at who knows, whatever. So anyhow, we have a little bit left of groceries, but hardly anything to be excited about. So groceries, oh, $2 only. Huh. So groceries is getting $100. And so now it has 102. How was everybody's week? How was your weekend? How is your year going with your budget goals? Gas is getting 15 a week. I just filled up, so by the time I'm ready to fill up again, there should be enough in here from stuffing it every week little by little. So gas now has 20. And as usual, household gets 20. This usually goes towards refilling my coffee, not like coffee shop, but buying more coffee, toiletries, cleaning supplies, pet supplies, those kind of things. So I don't need it every week, but as I stuff it every week, usually by the end of the month, I'm ready to restock. All right, well, that concludes wallet is stuffed, ready to go. Now let's start stuffing we always gotta stuff rent. That's a little bit of a bigger one. So we gotta get that stuffed. Rent is getting 2 weeks of cash stuffing this time, which is 100 to $800 going into rent. Okay, nothing for Peacock, that's almost fully funded. Paramount is almost fully funded. HBO Max is almost fully funded. Vet. My girls' pet insurance and vet bills, sinking fund is going to be getting 32. And it has now, okay, let's see. It now has 20, 40, 60, 81, 110, 20, 30, 40, 55, 61, 2, 3, and 4. 164. And this is just going to cover any kind of deductible or anything, any incident. She has vet insurance, but the deductible is kind of high, so this is just making sure we're fully covered. And Amazon sadly doesn't get anything this week. I spent my monthly Amazon fund, so that is it for this binder. Now we are going into my other binder for other sinking funds. Car registration, it's that time. I save up for tags and registration. It is due in June, so we're starting it now in January. And that is getting 100. Car insurance is due next month, so that should be fully funded at this point. So now car insurance has $600 for 6 months. I believe it's a funny number. Well, it's due at the end of February, so I will stuff it actually in February, but that should cover the bulk of it. I think it's some odd number, like 6 something. That'll be for 6 months, so that'd be nice to have that fully funded. Car maintenance. I just got new tires, so she is empty. And of course, right after the tires, my oil change light came on. So we are gonna stuff for car maintenance because she is due. If it's not the tires, it's the oil, it's the brakes. So we're gonna be prepared for all of it. So car maintenance now has 40. Vacation is getting 57. I'm thinking, oh no, there he is. Yep, there. For a moment I thought I had the wrong denominations, but I think we're okay. So now vacation has 50, 100, 20, 40, 5, 46, 47, $147. This is going to fund 2 trips this year. My brother's getting married in June, and then the family's getting together at Christmas in a destination. So this is going to need some good stuffings this year. No birthdays for this week, no self-care, no cosmetics. Savings challenge is getting 55. And it now has 100, 200, 300, 50, 70, 90, 410, 420, 25, 30, oh goodness, 35, 36, 37, 38. I think I counted that right. What was that, 438? We'll go with that. Oh my gosh, my voice. Can you hear how groggy I sound? I sound worse than I feel, so I guess that's okay. And Christmas is not getting anything this... Did we hit everything? Car insurance, vet, savings, car registration, vacation, car maintenance. Oh, that's why. I didn't put the right amount in savings because this is for 2 weeks. Hang on. It's supposed to be 75. Look at me go. That's bold. So let's count it again. 100, 200, 300, 50, 70, 90, 410, 430, 440, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58. Is that 458? Oh, boy, it adds up quickly. It's really worth it. That's the amazing thing about cash stuffing is you don't realize how quickly you are saving, and then suddenly there's this amazing gift right here from your hard work and dedication. So I love that. And Christmas, why do I have an extra 20? What am I missing? Car insurance got 100, which we did. Vet did 32. Savings did 75. Ooh, my voice. Car registration did 100. Vacation 57. Car maintenance 40. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to go back. Okay, I need to figure this out. Let me see. I figured it out. Because I was stuffing my wallet and rent and a few other items savings for 2 weeks, household was supposed to get 40, 20 every week, but some of these items were skipped last week. So we did it. I figured it out. All right, so now household has 40. All right, guys, thank you so much for spending time with me. I'm truly new to this, and I'm learning as I go while working towards financial freedom and Avalanche debt payoff. If you have any tips, setup ideas, or editing suggestions, I would love to hear from you. Feel free to comment them below so I can learn from all of the cash stuffers out there that I follow. Please feel free to say hi in the comments as well. I do want to reach out to more cash stuffers. So if you are a cash stuffer, and if you aren't, just say hi in the comments. I love to hear from you. I watch and support you all, and I'm so grateful for this community. All right, guys, that's it. Happy Sunday. It's the first of the month. Have an amazing week. Have an amazing day. Let's crush our goals and get there intentionally 1 week at a time. All right, thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.